This is a 13 Weather Impact Alert.
Good evening, West Michigan. I'm Josh Albertus in for Lauren Baker. We start tonight with weather as more snowfall and a drop in temperatures are expected into next week. Here's a look across the area from many of our tower cameras. You can see a ton of snowfall happening earlier, but that is expected to change starting tonight. Let's bring in meteorologist Colton Woods. Colton, when is that snowfall expected to be here in West Michigan?
Yeah, it's really starting to ramp up right now across West Michigan. Josh, we have a clipper system moving through, and what that will do is boost our lake effect system really across West Michigan, especially right now over Ottawa County. Taking a live look, though, in downtown Muskegon, it's starting to ramp up in Muskegon as well. Visibility is now down to 2.5 miles. Notice the wind chill down to 4, so it's definitely cold out there. Because of this, we have a 13 weather impact alert for just blizzard-like conditions that are expected along the lakeshore. Really, once we get into tomorrow morning, that's when the Arctic cold front moves through, and that will allow for stronger winds and deteriorating conditions. 6 to 10 inches of snow look pretty likely near and to the west of US 131 by the time we get to tomorrow evening, with that blowing and drifting snow. And then with the wind, it will feel more like -5 to -15 degrees, especially throughout the daytime hours tomorrow. The National Weather Service also has winter storm warnings in effect for pretty much areas along into the west of US 131. Elsewhere, further to the east, we are in a winter weather advisory, so everyone will see some snow, especially overnight tonight, continuing into much of Monday. There's that Arctic front still off to the west, but out ahead of that, we have southwest flow. You can already see the lake effect snow is getting a boost out of this Arctic cold front. It's snowing pretty heavily over Ottawa County right now, even in portions just to the northwest of Grand Rapids and just to the southeast of Muskegon. So that snow will definitely start to ramp up throughout the next coming hours. Temperatures, it's also cold out there. 13 in Grand Rapids, 18 in Muskegon, and 14 in Kalamazoo. Winds aren't too strong just now, but they will get stronger later tonight and especially throughout your Monday. 12-hour temperature trend shows we will be climbing overnight, generally staying in the teen zone, allowing for icy conditions all night long. Coming up in 10 minutes, I'll have your full 7-day forecast and tracking even colder air, believe it or not, by later this week. Josh?